Wevivi Full HD Portable Projector Review, Pros and Cons. Pros. For many customers, it is the best value for the money. Picture quality is very good. With the Fire Stick connection, you are able to watch copyrighted content from Netflix, Hulu, Amazon Prime, and others. Very low price. It has multiple installation methods. It has innovative cooling fans. $50,000 lamp life is not bad. It has amazing 4500 lux brightness. Wi-Fi connection is available. Cons. The iPhone mirroring is not very reliable as mentioned by many users. Users have experienced very low sound. You need to use an external speaker for the better sound. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe.